Today's video is for anyone who still has a vehicle under finance, but you honestly can't afford it anymore and you want to let it go. Before you stress yourself, here's something you need to know, especially if you are financed through Absa. Absa has a service called Absa Help You Sell. This allows you to tell the bank that you want to give up the vehicle. They will then place your car up for sale and different dealerships will start bidding on it. Now, here's the important part. If you are not happy with the offers coming in, you can take your car to We Buy Cars because they can also put in a bid and buy the vehicle. Then, once the car is sold, if there is a shortfall, you can arrange with Absa to pay off the remaining balance monthly. If there's no shortfall, then kudos to you. You walk away free. I wanted to share this information because some people don't know they actually have options. If this is what you needed to hear today, I really hope it helps and that things get better for you.